Hello guys, welcome back. In this section 3, we are going to discuss about variables and data types. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we have different types of data types such as basic data types, derived data types, enumeration data types and void data types. So what are the basic data types? Basic data types are integers, characters, floats and a double. So basically these are called int, char, float and double. So what is the memory size? Int has 2 bytes of memory size, char has 1 byte of memory size, float has 4 bytes of memory size and double has 8 bytes of memory size. So what is a byte? 1 byte equals 8 bits. So 2 bytes. If we take integer, it is of 2 bytes. So 2 bytes means 16 bits. 2 power 16 is 32,768. So it is the range from minus 32,768 to 32,767 because we include a 0. And in the same way, char has the memory size of 1 byte. So 1 byte equals 8 bits. 2 power 8 is 128. So its range is from minus 128 to 127. Float is 4 bytes. You can calculate the range in the same way as I calculated for both int and char. Same, the double has 8 bytes. You can calculate the range in the same way as I have calculated int and char. So what is this integer, character, float and double? Integers are nothing but the numbers which we use in daily life. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These all comes under integers. And what is the character? So character are the alphabetical values. So for example, A, B, C, D in both lowercase and uppercase comes under characters. And next comes float. What is float? Float contains the point values. For example, 5.632 comes under float. 10.08, 11.23, these all comes under float. And what is double? Double is same as int unless int has the range of minus 32,768 to 32,767. But double has more range when compared to int. Why? Because int has 2 bytes of memory size whereas double has 8 bytes. Obviously the range varies and double has more range. So all the integers comes under double values, but all the double values do not comes under integer. So if we want to store 40,000, we cannot store it under integer. We have to store it under double. So this is the basic difference between int and double. These are the basic data types. Next comes derived data types. Arrays, pointers, structures and union are the derived data types. These are very important and we will be discussing these derived data types individually in later on sections. For now, just remember that these are called derived data types. Next comes enumeration. The keyword for enumeration is enum. As you can see, it is a user-defined data type in C. It is basically used to assign names to integral constants. It makes the code more readable and easy to maintain. You may feel a little clumsy here. You may not understand these terms, this terminology. But yeah, you will be seeing an example based on enum in later lectures in this section only. After doing the practical, you will understand it more clearly. And the next comes void data type. The keyword for void is void itself. It is an empty data type that has no value. It is mainly used in functions where there is no return type. So we will be seeing this in practical when we discuss functions in subsequent sections. Just remember that void is a data type. Don't worry guys. I remembered the question which I asked in my previous lecture. We will be discussing that question in the next lecture. And immediately after that, we will be starting with the practical classes on variables and data types. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.